Hi everybody. Uh, Today we will be discussing about uh, there are three types of workers in the case of in any office. I have been working for the last more than 20-25 years in organizations. In 4 5 organizations I have worked. So with that experience, I have compiled a what you call, there are three types of workers. Elders are in our scriptures also. They have told that uh, regarding this. So there are three types of workers. First one is adhama and madhyama and uttama. So we will come to a conclusion by discussing this. Why you have to be a uttama means, why you have to be a uttama worker. We will discuss. First thing, who is an adhama? Adhama is a person who normally he is new, never learns. He will actually join a company, but he will what you call, he will avoid the work, or he will shout at others, or he will disturb others. So he is like a negative animal in the office kingdom. So he is called adhama. And who is a madhyama? Madhyama is a person who, knowledge wise or skill wise, he is okay. He is not like adhama, but he will be like start the work, whatever say he has to do some work. So do some reconciliation, or do some what you call, reports preparation or email drafting, whatever he has been assigned, a small work or a big work, he will do it. But he will be almost like he will fret means he is shout on others. He will say he has not been given the right training, or he has not been given the boss is not correct one, or the company is not giving him promotions. All the things he will come at that time. They are appropriate what you call forums to actually voice his concerns. But whenever he is given any work, he will tell all these things to everybody in the floor. So he will be like madhyama. He will not he will be not a normal person. So some eccentric personality he has, but he is skill wise or knowledge wise he is fine. So who is a uttama? Now come to the third one. Uttama is a person who is 100% he is loyal to the company. He will implement it, and I will say that one of my friend, he told me this. Whenever you are working somewhere, or any organizations or any project, he will see that you see that. So some person who has gone up the Everest, on going up the Everest, what they will do, they will say they will hoist a flag. They say from India, from Nepal, from whichever the country they are from. So it is like this. Any company or any project you are working, you should actually hoist your flag there. So it is like your name. If it is the project, it has to be your name should come up more frequently. So that working implementation or your commitment should be 100%. It is not like half baked cake. So why you have to be a uttama? Why you have to be uttama means, you at the time of joining the company, you know what is the salary you are getting, what is the timing you have to come to the office, or what is the distance from your company to from your home, and also what is the everything regarding this project, or where you have been placed. So you reviewed your the company you are joining on the website, the different website you have gone there, how it is there, and what is the review of this company you have you came to know. Then what I suggest is, you give your 100%, work for the knowledge, work for the company positively, you give your commitment, everything. Then what happens is, say you have worked for 1.5 year, after that you came to know that there is no future in this company. So what why I suggest is, you give your 100%, complete your whatever the task has been given, but improve your skills, and what you call other revenues, what are available or not, whatever are available, you browse the internet, ask your friends, your contacts, everyone, and improve your skills, improve your knowledge, and join any other course if you are not sufficiently what you call knowledgeable in that. So everything you do it within 6 months or 1 year, you implement and go to the other company. So don't fret. Whenever you are any company, give your 100%. That will make you a wonderful work. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe. Thank you.